Today, we will introduce the wearing methods of two watch models: the Designer Series and the Basic Series. Firstly, open the watch strap, which consists of two metal parts folded and overlapped. Now, let's demonstrate how to wear it. Press down and fold the strap at the connecting point of the metal parts. Then press the strap and buckle together. At this point, do not fasten the buckle tightly. Use your middle and ring fingers to hold the backside of the strap and smoothly insert it into the buckle. Adjust it to the appropriate position, and then use your index finger to reach into the buckle's interior and press the exterior with your thumb until you hear a click sound. The watch is now worn, and finally, adjust the angle as needed. The Designer Series watch strap uses a spring fixation instead of a buckle. To wear it, press and fold the two sides of the metal parts inward, and once folded, the strap is secured. Now, let's demonstrate the wearing process. Fold the metal parts towards the center of your wrist. Adjust the tightness and position, and then adjust the position of the strap spring fixation according to the size of your wrist. After opening the spring fixation, adjust the position of the strap holes, and fasten the spring fixation to the appropriate hole. Insert the strap into the buckle, and finally, adjust the position of the watch on your wrist to complete the wearing process.